Interesting facts about planet Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system, being larger than only Mercury. After Earth, Mars is the only planet that humans have studied the most, and a large number of space explorers have been sent to Mars because we hope that if there is life in the solar system after Earth, that is possible on this planet. Apart from governments, so far private companies have also started planning to settle human settlements on Mars, and it looks like the first human settlement on Mars will come into existence during the 21st century. Mars can be easily seen and recognized in the sky because of its red color. That is why in ancient times its name was Red Star, and it was also considered a symbol of strife and wrath. There is a big difference between Mars and Earth, and the first difference in this regard is the mass of Mars and Earth and their gravity. The gravity of Mars on the surface is much weaker than on Earth. If you weigh 163 pounds on the surface of the Earth, you will have only 62 pounds left on Mars. Mars has two moons called Deimos and Phobos. They are named after the two horses that pull the Roman god of war, Mars, chariot. They may be asteroids captured by Mars' gravity. Mars is a terrestrial planet because it has a hard and rocky surface. Its northern side is full of flat plains and the southern side has ridges and craters. The biggest crater on Mars is Borealis Basin. It is 5,300 miles from end to end and covers 40% of planet's surface. Mars has the largest canyon in our solar system, Valles Marineris. It is 4 miles deep and stretches thousands of miles long. The atmosphere on Mars is very light and contains a little more than 98% of carbon dioxide. The tilt on the axis of Mars is 25 degrees, which means that the planet experiences seasons like we do on Earth, as different parts of the planet are closer to the Sun at different times of its orbit. In September 2015, astronomers discovered some evidence on Mars that suggests that salt water may be flowing there as well. But like so many other things, this discovery awaits its final confirmation. The dead volcano on Mars called Olympus Mons is the largest mountain ever discovered in the solar system, with a height of about 22 kilometers and a diameter of 600 kilometers. Mars experiences violent dust storms powered by the Sun, which can last for months. The dust storms can completely cover the planet and continually change Mars' surface. A day on Mars is only 40 minutes longer than a full day on Earth. However, a year of Mars is as long as 687 days passing on our Earth, 1 year, 10 months and 22 days, because the orbit of Mars around the Sun is much larger than that of the Earth. The distance of Mars from the Earth is about 77.8 million kilometers, but in 2003 the distance between Mars and the Earth was the lowest in the history of 60,000 years. That is, 56 million kilometers. NASA says that after 2,287 years, Mars will come so close to Earth again. Mars is a much colder planet than Earth, where nighttime temperatures are much lower than freezing. In addition to NASA, China and Russia, private companies have also stepped up preparations to send manned flights to Mars as soon as possible. In light of all this, experts say that human footsteps on Mars will reach the 2030s, and it is not far off that the first human settlement will be settled there by 2050. Subscribe and press the bell icon for support.